What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'm giving you guys an eyebrow tutorial. I've been getting like DMs and stuff asking for one, so I'm gonna do one. So if you like how I do my eyebrows, then keep watching. If not, you know, still support your girl in all her endeavors. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay, so currently I'm using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in 220 Dark Brown. It looks like this. Yeah, that's what I'm using right now. It has a curved tip here, and then you just twist it to get your product out. Earlier this year, I was just using a regular brow pencil, but you know, I just use whatever I have, and I just bought this. I was tired. Like, it's time for me to upgrade because them brow pencils just don't be doing it for me sometimes. So brush. I just brushed my teeth and washed my face, so my face shouldn't be crusty, but my edges might be. So brush your eyebrows up, and what I do is I kind of just like brush these hairs down so I know where I want my tail to end. And I'm kind of rushing because I got to go watch a movie. I have to leave in like 10 minutes, no joke. But so we're gonna go right in the middle. Start in the middle and curve it down. Okay, so for my tail, I like my tails to be a little long, so I take this brush so I know where to stop, and I just drag it a little bit farther because I'm going to conceal it later. Is the light too bright? Yeah, light strokes. Fill that in a little bit. And then take the top. And do that. Now don't stress too much about if you overdo the top because we have concealer. But yeah, I just kind of follow my lash line. Not my lash line, follow my the shape of my eyebrow. Okay, and do the same thing to the other side. Take our concealer. Right now I'm just using the e.l.f. in Deep Olive. I actually have a tan, so I don't know if it's going to match, so I'm just going to use a little bit. The brush looks like this, and I'm going to take a angled brush, a flat angled brush. Alright, so now I'm going to use this MAC foundation. It's the only foundation I have right now. And I just like get a little bit of it. And we're going to use foundation to the top. That way you don't have a white cast around your eyebrows. A lot of money. So that's basically how I do my eyebrows. Like, it's really nothing too crazy, nothing too bizarre. Like I said, a lighter concealer for your under, and then you want to use your foundation shade for your top, so it blends in better. As you can see, like, it has that yellow cast on it. I did get a tan, but I think it still looks good. So I am done. My eyebrows are done, and today is gonna be a mascara day, so I'm not gonna wear lashes. But yeah, that is the eyebrow tutorial. I would use a setting spray, but I don't have any setting spray, so I'm gonna use setting powder to just make sure that these eyebrows don't move. I use a tiny bit. But yeah, that is the eyebrows. I'm about to put on mascara and my lip gloss And we are actually headed to the Barbie movie. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.